Hi, everybody. A little while ago, I did a video on my backup internet, my Unbreakable internet, as some people call it. And I thought I'd just do a speed test so you can see the difference in internet speeds on my primary internet and then also on my backup internet. So, first of all, you can see here on the interface to my ASUS router, I'm on my primary WAN. I've got a 1 gigabit service from Community Fiber. So I thought I'd just do a quick speed test just as a benchmark. Obviously, it won't be as fast on a backup mobile-based internet service. It's a 4G dongle, so it can never by default be as fast as this. But I thought it'd be useful just to do a test anyway. So here's the results for my Community Fiber 1 gig service. I've got 965 megabits per second upload, and it's more or less symmetrical, so I should get roughly the same. There you go, 970. So I'll just now switch over to my secondary backup internet, and then we'll do another speed test. So now we're connected to the secondary WAN or failover WAN, which is my 4G LTE dongle, and we'll just do another speed test. I'm not expecting this to be fantastic. I normally get around 18 megabits per second. I live in quite an old house with twin brick walls, so it's incredibly thick. I don't get top 4G speeds, but this is more than enough to keep my house going in the event of a primary WAN failover. You can play videos, YouTube videos, Netflix on those speeds, absolutely fine. But for me, the most important thing is when I'm away from the home, all the smart devices can still send messaging out to me. For example, security camera alerts. Anyway, I thought that would be a helpful video just to show you the connectivity speeds that are possible, even when you've got poor coverage like I have. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in another video. Take care, everybody.